Here, actually, you need to point out to the social engineering in Quran. The word nas. The word nas is actually meant for people, and it is with faal. The word is explained in faal, so means activity of the people, by the people. Now, see, God also has given us democracy, and we also have prepared ourselves a democracy. The God given the democracy of the intellectual people. Means the intellectual people among us need to sit down and prepare for the management of the law and order. This is what God has given. But people, every person says that I am uh, equally responsible. Just utter the word responsible from his word for law and order. But what they change the culture of the human social engineering. So here you need to understand the word annas. With what annas has given with Rabb, means auzu bi rabbin nas, means the originality of people is from the God itself. The God itself is a Rabb. Rabb means the person who sustain, the person who give you sustenance, means give you food, and he has made your body in such a way that whatever your body is required, God has already provided it. So this is what it means, Rabb. Now there are people who have diverted the word Rabb towards people. They say that if we people will provide the food to ourselves, then only we can sustain. That is, you see, that is not true because since the earth started, since the human culture started, from there to till now, the human being without God never sustained themselves. They has looted each other. They had destroyed each other. If you see the policies of Pentagon, so how the policies of Pentagon is this? How the policy of Pentagon to loot others? If you see the policies of the empire, especially Western Empire, so how their policies are how their policy of Western Empire to loot others? They think that by looting others they can sustain themselves. This is what they think. So because of that, God says that don't depend upon the majority of the people, because the majority of the people think in a different way. The only destination or only the solution is God, who has already given you a thirst or a hunger, and according to your hunger and thirst it has provided you meals. So this is what the word nas explain in this ayat. So it is ayat number 1. It says that the sustainer or the sustainer of the creatures, of the world creature, is God alone. So my dear brother and sister, this is what social engineering has explained in the Quran. So you need to you need to understand through the scientific and through the material world which is performing at right now in the world. So I think I have explained you this social engineering concept. If you think that there is something to understand or there is something which is not being understand, so in both the case you can contact us, you can put forward your doubt, your query, your questions. We are here to answer you. Allahumma salli ala